Alright, I want to show you a little shelter I made. It's raining pretty hard, but I made a nice fire, and it's a pretty good setup, I think, for a shelter and a fire in this type of weather condition. Let me take a look at it with you here. Here it is. As you can see, I made it on top of a slab of bark. The underside was pretty dry. And I can move that around as I need to. If you see, the shelter here is just a little blanket I found, soaking wet, but I stretched it over these limbs under a spot that was already pretty dry. And the smoke goes right up into the blanket almost, but I can move it around because it was built on this slab of bark.